Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be cooking meatballs from scratch. So today I'm going to teach you how to make meatballs. So from today you'll not be buying meatballs from the supermarket. So now to start off, I realized I did not have the breadcrumbs, so I'm going to show you what you can use instead of breadcrumbs. So you're going to start by slicing the bread just on the edges to remove the hard part. And then after that you're going to soak it in milk. So just observe what I'm doing, and then you can do the same if you do not have breadcrumbs. So just soak like that, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and then once you're done, now it's ready to use. So to start off, we are going to put our minced meat in a clean bowl. Then you go in with the bread, the soaked bread, that is. And then we are going to have 2 eggs. Then you go in with your diced onions, the red onion, and then oregano, just a teaspoon, then thyme, another teaspoon, then black pepper. Note that the eggs are optional. So then half teaspoon of salt. For those people who are allergic to eggs, eggs are just optional. So now mix with clean hands. You make sure that everything is incorporated. So you have to be very patient with this. So you mix slowly, mix well. As you can see, I took enough time to mix all the ingredients, and then you go in with coriander. Then you continue mixing. Now it's almost ready. You can see everything has incorporated. So oil your hands to avoid the meat to stick in your hands. So and then you start making balls a size of a golf ball. So using your spoon, you scoop just a tablespoon, then roll it with your hands, then put it aside, and then you repeat the same process until you're done. It's a tedious process, but it's worth it. So you don't need to buy meatballs from the supermarket. It's so easy to make it at home. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'll be making very exciting videos now that we are towards Christmas. I'll be showing you different recipes, and yeah, just exciting recipes. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Right, so now we are done. So we are going to store it, put it in the fridge for like 20 minutes. Yeah, for it to be firm enough. So, and then in our frying pan, we are going to go to just to put oil. Then we go in with our meatballs. So just one by one, like that. So you're going to turn them slowly, yeah, and then you make sure that your heat is low. Yeah, so that they don't burn. So now after that, you're going to remove from your pan, and then you put it aside, and then on another pan, so you're going to go in with your onions. It's one big onion. Then you put your oil, cooking oil. Right, so you go in with your garlic. Yeah, maybe you can add ginger, but I decided to go in to use garlic only. Yeah, and then you cover for like a minute. Then you can see it's ready. So you go in with your diced tomatoes. Yep, and then you can as well add tomato paste. Yeah, just to thicken the soup. As you can see now, our tomatoes are well cooked. So just put just a cup of water. All right. So now, after this, we can go in with our the meatballs. So then give it a good mix it well. So from here you can add either beef masala, any spice of your choice, but I decided not to go with spices. Yeah, because the meatballs have some spices. So then I had 1 teaspoon of salt, then 2 Royco cubes. Then after that, you're going to cover for like 3 minutes. Let it simmer. So these meatballs, you can pair them with rice, spaghetti, macaroni, or chapati. Yeah. Yeah, that's how it looks like. So meatballs, they are ready. So you can garnish it with coriander. Yeah, enjoy it. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and try this recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.